Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today we will talk about the immigration medical for the Form I-693 Report of Medical Examination and Vaccination Record. The most typical adjustment of status applicants are those who came here in the USA on a K1 visa. This is also applicable to K2 visa applicants, but to simplify, I will just talk about the K1 visa applicant. The K1 applicant has already gone through the medical exam before the interview at the U.S. Embassy in the applicant's home country. The process right now is that the U.S. Embassy will not interview the applicant if the medical is not completed yet. The applicant must be fully vaccinated for COVID and tested negative for COVID before the applicant proceeds with the medical exam. The visa medical at the K1 applicant's home country is valid for 1 year. If the K1 applicant files for adjustment of status within 1 year of the medical, the K1 applicant will just need to submit a copy of the vaccine sheet received from the clinic when the applicant went for the visa medical. The vaccine sheet is the form DS3025 and it looks like this. But if the K1 applicant waited before filing for adjustment of status and it has already been more than 1 year since the visa medical, you may or may not be required for a new medical. It will depend on the USCIS agent processing your application. If it has been a long time, say for example 2 years or more, I highly suggest to get a new medical before you file for adjustment of status so there's not much delay in your application. There was a time within the last 3 years when the USCIS was very strict that they said they will deny the adjustment of status application if it does not have valid medical. So we advised all our clients at that time with expired medical to get new medical to submit with their adjustment of status applications. Now, the USCIS has become more relaxed with the medical requirement. Now you can choose to send the new sealed medical results with your adjustment of status application or wait until you receive an RFE letter for new medical to even start the process of getting new medical. It can be expensive to get new medical depending on the city or state you live in. It can cost around $500 and most of the time it is not covered by health insurance. For medical, the clinic will need to fill out and sign Form I-693 Report of Medical Examination and Vaccination Record, and you will receive a sealed medical result that you will submit with your adjustment of status application. We at Visa Harmony can assist you with your adjustment of status application and we can advise you if you need a new medical or not. We also assist with other petitions or immigration applications at very affordable rates. I will leave our contact information in the description box. If you came here in the USA on a non-immigrant visa like B1, B2, or J1, and you got married to a US citizen and filed a spouse petition and adjustment of status at the same time, you have not gone through the required USCIS medical. For that, you definitely will need new medical to submit with your applications. It will be the same process and form as the medical for K1 applicants. We have a complete guide on how to find a USCIS recommended clinic in your area, and I will also put the link in the description box. Also note that the requirements and policies change all the time, so I suggest to check on the USCIS website for any updates before you file any petitions or applications. If you have any questions on this topic, you can post in the comments section or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.